one thing, pink ring, black thing, looking real.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's me, Cammy T, back at it again with another video. So, this is a hair tutorial that I was requested to do. And of course, if you want me to do any other videos, just leave it down in the comments or, inbox me on my social media and I will do it. But today I am retwisting my locks after 3 months of not doing it. I haven't done it since my birthday, so it's pretty tangled, pretty matted, pretty just a fro at this point, but I still look cute. So I was trying to figure out a day to do this, but there's no perfect day that I feel like doing this, so I just said screw it and just randomly did it on a Tuesday, and this is how it came out. This is the beginning of what it looks like, of course. So yeah, this is the full view, and I start by rinsing my hair. Come on, there we go. I start by rinsing my hair, and it's a lot. So I say this a lot, but washing your hair by yourself alone is ghetto. It's a 2 out of 10. I don't recommend. My neck hurted, my back hurted. It was such a mess. And I used so much shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, that's the conditioner. Well, the shampoo I use. I got that from Walmart. I use Shea Moisture most of the time so that my hair doesn't dry out, and because I have color in my hair, I don't want it to fade too quickly. So I have just been using this, or I would use something more natural. I like to first wash the actual locks because they get the dirtiest, and then I like to go straight to the scalp. Then it's time to rinse once again. I do not recommend this. This was so trash. I was trying to film at the same time I was washing my hair, so I was trying to see if the camera was still rolling as I was doing it. The struggle. Here I was debating if I even wanted to put conditioner in my hair. This is me just lifting it out of the water from the soapy mess you just saw. Next, I did condition my hair with this apple cider vinegar. I almost forgot what it was called. Conditioner. And it took a lot. So there was a lot of pumping involved. And yeah, again, long hair washing by yourself, I don't recommend it. I tried to wash it in the shower, almost broke my neck. So I was like, okay, maybe if I wash it in the sink, that'll be a little bit better. But no, unless somebody is literally helping me wash my hair, this is a true struggle because, as you can see, it's barely getting any conditioner in it. And I had to pump so much into it until it was covered. Here we have a colorful towel because I can't seem to not get things colorful when I dry my hair. So I put my hair up in two, I forgot that character's name. I guess Leia? Yeah, Leia ponytails, I call them. And I just blow dried my hair. And I got this blow dryer from Amazon for $10. It was very much needed because I feel like my hair is just, it's not gonna stay, you know, nice and neat unless I blow dry it. And DJ's hair is very hard to manage when it comes to not blow drying, so he needed it the most. His hair is so soft and it's so hard to like not have it unravel. I know. I'm literally putting in this natural spray right after I blow dried it. I get it. But this helps. I was blow drying the water, but not like fully drying my hair. And then I added more moisture because my hair gets a little more dry than DJ's does. So my locks need all the moisture it can get. So I put this in and it kind of makes my hair a little more manageable to twist. Here I just have some Jamaican coffee gel I got from Amazon for $8. And it doesn't block, but it does moisturize really well. And again, like I said, my hair needs all the moisture it can get. This part was just a little irritating because I was just trying to get one lock out so I could start my hair. I like to start in the front because I do my hair mostly in front of the mirror so I can get a good grip and make it look really, really nice. And I do the back that way. The middle, I don't really too much care for. I just like to do really well with the parts that people can actually see. So I finally finished the right side of my hair after an hour. He is so sweet. But it took only an hour and a half to finish my right side of my hair, which was pretty surprising because usually it takes me way, way longer. But this is what it looks like after I've done this side And I don't know, I've been doing really well with learning how to do it like how the professionals do, but it's a work in progress. And of course, I had to blow dry it again. And as you can tell, I am filming this on a different phone. This was my phone that I had before the new one, so it might be a little glitchy. But anyway, I then take out the clips after I'm done blow drying my whole head, and I braid them up so it can have a curly effect and so it could dry a little more and just stay in place and look really nice for the next couple weeks. And here I'm just wrapping my hair with a satin scarf. I learned that cotton scarves do your hair no good and it takes it out. So it's finally time for me to take these braids out. I kind of like redid it in the middle of the week just so it can stay fresh, because I planned on, taking a lot of photos, doing a lot of videos, and just for all around, taking care of my locks in general. Ouch. So yeah, I'm just taking them out now, taking out the braids, and going to moisturize it, and I will show you guys what it looks like after. Remember I was bald headed, babe? I was wearing like weaves and stuff all in Job Corps. Man, those are tough times. And it was like I was paying $20 per like pack of weave. That crap got so expensive. I don't see how females just be buying that constantly. Like, I get it if you got the money, but man, that's a lot of maintenance. Or you could just wake up with locks and just live your life, So simple. So simple. I keep thinking that I'm like done and finished with this, but then I find more that I braided. And they're not really, really curly. They're just like semi-curly, because I don't like to keep the like braids in for long, because then it gets like really, I don't know, it makes it look short, and I don't like that look for my hair specifically. So this is what it looks like.